In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an instrumental in Suno AI, and it's all going to take just about 5 minutes. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to access the Suno AI platform, which is dedicated to creating amazing music using artificial intelligence. To get started, simply head over to their website and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Suno, you'll need to create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next up is taking the exciting step of clicking on the Create button. You'll notice this option prominently displayed on the screen, inviting you to begin your musical journey. Now, this is where the magic starts happening, so let's focus on getting everything set correctly. Before you proceed with creating your instrumental, make sure to toggle the custom setting off. This is important because it will enable Suno AI to operate with its default settings, which are tuned for optimum results when creating instrumentals. By not customizing the settings, you allow Suno to leverage its full potential in generating the instrumental track. Now comes the creative part. Adding your song description. Think of it as painting a picture with words. Provide details about the mood, style, instruments, or any other specific elements you envision for your track. This description is crucial because it guides the AI to tailor the instrumental to your vision. Make sure your input is clear and detailed to allow the AI to capture the essence of what you're aiming for. Once you've got your song description in place, the next step is to select Instrumental. This option assures that the output you receive will be a pure instrumental track, free from vocals. Perfect for those days when you just want to lay back and listen to the music speak for itself. Finally, all that's left is to click on Create. This will set Suno AI into action, processing your input and generating an instrumental masterpiece based on your description. The creation process might take a few moments, so sit back and relax while the AI does its wonders. And there you have it, a newly minted instrumental ready for you to enjoy, tweak, or even add to new creative projects. Creating music with Suno AI is all about blending human creativity with the power of technology. It's that easy, and within minutes, you've created something truly unique. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're inspired to continue exploring the vast world of AI-driven music creation. Keep experimenting and enjoy the endless possibilities. Until next time, happy creating.